Having waited long enough, the wasp returns to her prey. Vibrating her wing muscles like this allows her to sever the roach's antenna. Scientists think that by tasting the roach's blood she can gauge how effective her sting has been. Too little venom and the roach will recover before she is done with it. Too much and it may die too soon. Satisfied, the wasp leads the stupefied insect to her burrow.